Partial fraction decomposition using SymPy, Python. How do I find the constants a, b, c, d, k, s such that 1/x6 plus 1 equals a x plus b, x2 plus 1 plus cx plus d, x2 sqrt3, x plus 1 plus kx plus s, x2 plus sqrt3, x plus 1 is true for every real x? I need some SymPy code maybe, not sure. Or any other Python lib which could help here. I tried by hand but it's not easy at all. After 1 hour of calculating, I found that I have probably made some mistake. I tried partial fraction decomposition in SymPy but it does not go that far. I tried Wolfram Alpha 2, but it also does not decompose to that level of detail, it seems. What attempt? See the alternate forms which were gives below. Edit. I did a second try entirely by hand and I got these.
You can do this using a part in SymPy, but a part will look for a rational factorization by default, so you have to tell it to work in QSQRT3.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.